Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the measurement system in the Deckee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the general button. And at the measurement system section, you can choose imperial or metric system. So just click on the one that you want, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.